everyone! A new model of Ninja Star has arrived. The Transforming Ninja Star. Today I'll be showing how to make it. First, take a square piece. Fold it diagonally in half. Again fold in half. Last one more time. Now open it all up. We have gotten many crease lines. Take one of the bumped edges and keep it towards the back. Fold this crease line to this crease line. Next, put the bumped edge towards the inward and fold it. It will look like this. Make 8 pieces just like it. We need to merge all these pieces together. Take 2 pieces. The upward should be a closed edge. Put the second one in. Remember, the upward should always be closed. Then you will find a gap over here. We can fold the extra parts inside it. Repeat the same for all the pieces. The last piece, put it in just the same way. But then to join these two pieces, it might be a bit tricky because there's already a piece right in between. So be careful and stuff it in the sides. The other side too. And then let's give it a small squeeze. The transforming Ninja Star is ready. Yo.